Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, orange color, parrot color, red color, pink color, green color, purple color, and the last one is yellow color. Now let's color the bed. How many beds can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 beds.